How to manage your contacts in Gmail. In this tutorial, you will find out how to manage your contacts list in Gmail. It can be found via the Contacts link over here. This is your contacts list. Here you can add, edit, and remove contacts and put them into groups. You can also search through your contacts, import and export contacts, and even print your contacts. If there is anyone that you're frequently in touch with that isn't already in your contacts, Gmail will suggest that you add them to your contacts. To see Gmail's suggestions, click the View Suggestions button below. Right now, we only have one contact in our list. Let's view his information. Click the contact's name. Here you can see all the information we entered for this contact. To add this contact to a group, use the Groups menu. Choose from an existing group or create a new one. We'll name our new group Internet Friends. Click OK to create the group and add this contact. The new group has appeared here, along with an indicator that there is one person in it. To view a list of recent conversations with this contact, click the Show link. Press your browser's back button to return to the contacts list. To edit this contact's information, click the Edit button. The form is pre-filled with the contact's information. Change whatever you want, then click the Save button when finished. Now, let's add a new contact. If you're in the middle of editing a contact when you try to create a new one, Gmail will remind you that unsaved changes will be lost unless you save. Click OK to tell Gmail that it's all right that we haven't saved. The form has been reset and is ready for us to input our new contact's information. Start with the name. All other fields are optional, but adding a contact isn't very useful if you don't enter at least some additional information. Type an email address here. Clicking the Add link next to many of these fields will give you space to type additional entries. Let's also add a phone number for this contact. Then an address. Scroll down. The Add button down here is another way for you to add additional fields of the same type as above, as well as a few other kinds. When finished inputting the contact's information, click Save. If you hover over a contact's image, you'll be given a link to change it. Finally, to delete a contact, click this button. Note that you cannot undo a contact deletion. Click OK to acknowledge this. The contact has been deleted. This completes the tutorial. You now know how to manage contacts in Gmail. Find out how to import and export contacts in the 2 tutorials that follow.